Stop right there. I'm here to turn you in for that bank you robbed.
My partner got away. What makes you think that you can get me?
Mr. Shiesty, fuck your partner. I'm here to take you down. Oh, shit. Get up. You're under arrest. Anything you gotta say for yourself?
You're too late.
What the heck?
It's about time you defeated my shadow clone.
Your little mind games ain't got nothing on me. I got cursed energy running through my bloodline.
Who are you?
Hello, my son. I'm Zaza Baba. I need your soul, and I'll give you all the power you want. Do we have a deal?
Do whatever you need to do. Just give me all the power.
I knew you would say that, my son. Come here, you son of a bitch.
Like a wise man once told me, come here, you son of a bitch. It's time for your demise.
Time freeze! I'm gonna finally see who's under the mask. What? Another mask?
Oh! Don't ever disrespect me like that. Bow! Shit, I gotta go. Hey, don't ever disrespect me again.